Hey guys, it's your boy Akahilz. Guys, you welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have a NBOX airdrop here live on Coinmarketcap. Guys, I'm just going to show you the basic steps on how to get this airdrop, and you can also research on this project if it's something you want to invest in. So we'll also talk about that. But basically, to get through with this airdrop, you need to add it to your watch list. You can see there are about 38,000 people having it on your watch list already. So click on it. It's currently ranked at 4,434 on CoinMarketCap. You can see the price and you can see 1 year lows. You can see how far it has gone. So it's currently, I think it's currently at a good par now, sure. So it is a NFT based airdrop. So they are giving out 5,001 NFT to 5,001 winners. There are already about 19,000 participants already, but you still have a try. The rewards are being distributed on a random basis. So you can see it starting September 22 to October 7, 2022. So you still have about 14 days to participate as of recording. Now the total value is $100,000 reward, and that's the total value. Each user will be getting one NFT each. Yeah, this is what you need to do. Add it to your watch list, which we've done already. Follow them on their community profile. So I'm going to go over to the community profile. Yeah, I just clicked on the link. Then you also need to follow them on Twitter. Retweet their pinned post. I'm going to retweet the pinned post. Then also check more requirements in here on the article here. So that's it. Okay. So I'm just going to go there and follow them and participate. Follow the task. So I think this is the latest one. Okay. So I'm just liking some of the posts. So I think we're good here. So guys, what you need to do next, follow them here. So we just follow them. The airdrop task. So I'm just going to like one or two posts. Okay. So I believe this is the marketplace where you can also sell your NFTs. So in case you have any issues, you can easily use that. That's where you'll be able to sell your NFTs. So it says retweet. I think it says here, the third link says you need to retweet pin post super NFT launch. So I'm going to retweet this pin post. You can also drop a comment. Let's go. So I'm just going to drop a comment here. Let's go. So it's not really compulsory, but let's go. Just drop the comment. So this is it. Then next you need to do is you can read the other requirements here. So this is the basic requirement. So okay, you need to join the Telegram and also Discord. You can also follow them here if you want to do that. Then you can read more on the token. So guys, so if you are one of the winners, simply visit NBOX Airdrop to experience the NBOX NFT. So guys, once you have been credited these NFT, you'll be able to use them in your. You'll be able to go over to this website and list them up, and you can sell them, or you can connect your wallet address. Please enter your wallet address to get the NFT to be sent to your wallet immediately. Okay, that's check if you're a winner. So I'm just going to put my wallet address here just to access it. Okay, the account is not eligible yet for these. Let's see. So guys, I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to go back here and complete the task. So guys, you could use your MetaMask BNB wallet address, or whichever one you want to use, but make sure you copy your BEP. So click on this, join this airdrop, BNB Smart Chain. So I think this is it, BNB BEP Smart Chain. Click on, so you see we've done all the tasks required of us. Then click on join airdrop. So you can see we just successfully participated. So guys, this is how to participate. It's your boy Akahilz. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You can also join up on other rewards that are available, guys. Make sure you subscribe and share this video to others so that it can also participate. There are also, for bonus tip, there are also some available diamond rewards that you can also check out here. You can see diamond rewards here, NFT rewards. So you want to look out for these NFT rewards. We only have about 1,300 diamonds. Peace out, guys. It's your boy Keys.